Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. You can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are looking at FTMO Protector PRO for MetaTrader 5. There is an MT4 version though, and it was developed by Rando Pajuste. It's available on the MQL5 Marketplace for $50 with 10 activations. All right. Now, this tool is categorized as an account protection utility rather than an automated trade entry system. And reviewing the marketplace page features, FTMO Protector PRO is designed specifically as an automated risk manager to help traders stay compliant with prop firm rules, such as those from FTMO, Funded Next, and the FIFAs. All right. And rather than generating buy or sell signals, the utility continuously monitors floating equity, balance metrics, and overall drawdown limits in real time. Okay, so the key features listed on the page include automated trade management, whereby it automatically closes all open trades and pending orders when predefined profit targets, equity, or daily drawdown limits are reached. And then, of course, there is equity monitoring, whereby the EA continuously tracks your account's equity, ensuring that it stays within the defined profit targets and drawdown limits. We have the emergency EA shutdown, whereby when the daily drawdown limit is hit, the utility can automatically close open charts or disable auto trading in MetaTrader to prevent other EAs from opening further trades. All right, and then the on-chart dashboard is a real-time visual display showing current equity, daily target equity, daily starting balance, and live profit or loss statistics. Okay, so because FTMO Protector PRO is a risk monitoring utility that acts strictly on open positions opened manually or by other EAs, standard strategy tester backtesting in MetaTrader is not designed to measure trade entry performance. All right, in backtesting environments, utilities like this sit passively unless active trades trigger their preset equity or loss thresholds. Okay, so in evaluation and demo testing, the value of an account protection utility comes down to execution speed and reliable parameter setup. Okay, so setting precise daily drawdown limits such as maybe 4.5% or fixed monetary amounts to trigger full position liquidations before prop firm breach limits, typically 5%. And then also configuring the daily reset time to match your specific prop firm's server time, such as 0 o'clock CET for FTMO. Okay, so then utilizing the built-in closing pause options, to prevent order rejection or server spamming during high volatility liquidations. So let's just briefly look at the images displayed here, and then we are going to just go to the strategy tester to see how the FTMO Protector PRO looks like. Okay, because the kind of utility it is, it's not the type that executes trades. All right, so you won't be expecting to see any backtest results. I actually did a backtest, and you can see there is no results, no trade was executed, because this is not the function. Yeah, the function is not to execute trades. All right, so let's just go turn on the visuals so that we can actually see how the utility looks like. We want to see how it looks like on the chart. So we can see here, it shows you your current equity, it shows you the target equity, based on the settings. All right, So it shows you the target equity, and then it also shows you the daily starting balance, the daily starting equity, and the daily drawdown limit, and the daily current P&L. So this EA, based on what we have reviewed so far and based on what you have seen, is actually designed for managing of prop firm accounts. All right, not executing the trades per se, but helping to manage so that the account can um can be protected from being breached. All right, so that is it basically for this expert advice, or for this utility. There isn't much to look for with this utility. So in conclusion, the FTMO Protector PRO MT4 and MT5 serves as a dedicated safeguard for traders who are navigating prop firm challenges or managing funded accounts. Now, while it won't generate trading signals for you, it provides a crucial layer of risk automation, to enforce strict drawdown rules and protect your capital from unexpected market spikes. Okay. So as always, make sure to thoroughly test all equity thresholds and reset times on a demo account first to ensure that the utility matches your prop firm's exact rules before using it on a live challenge. For example, now you can see different account sizes and settings displayed here with a target equity of 10.1%, the daily drawdown limit of 4.5%, and daily profit target of 2%. You can see different account sizes and their respective target equity, daily drawdown limits, and daily profit target. So that is how the EA is designed to function. All right, and then if you are really interested in this expert advice, so you might want to test it. If you really love what you see based on what we have reviewed so far, maybe you can consider testing it on a demo account first. I mean, forward testing it, and if it does well, then maybe you can proceed to using it on your actual prop firm account. But just make sure that you are really comfortable with what you see. You are comfortable with the performance before you proceed with it. And remember that if you are using this utility, you should actually have a different structure for executing your trades. All right, whether you want to execute your trades manually, or you want to have an expert advisor to do that for you, but make sure that you are not relying on this EA to execute trades, because as we have seen, it doesn't seem to execute trades for you. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.